In today's video, I'm going to show you how to, I don't know what I'm going to show you. What is going on? Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use MagMod products to create off-camera flash silhouettes. I'm at the wonderful Eve's Hall today in Lancashire and I'm going to transform this very beautiful room into complete darkness so that I can create my own silhouettes on the curtain using MagMod products. So before we carry on, I'm just going to transform the room a little bit, turn all the lights off, close the curtains, set up a couple of flashes, do a couple of test shots, and I will come back and let you know how we are getting on. So as you can see now, the room is complete darkness, which is going to give us a great base to create our own silhouettes using the MagMod product with the MagGels. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a picture of the back wall. I've got my flash pointing at the back wall as it stands. And I'm going to use the back wall to create a circle of light, and then I'm going to add some colour into that circle of light. Then I have a perfect circle to place my model when she arrives, Liv, in front of the flash, so she's got a perfect silhouette. How many times can you say perfect? To start off with, I think I'm going to have my flash on, we're going to go for a 16th power. It's my go-to with most things. We'll see how that works out. Check everything's turned. It's already going to be too bright, but we'll do it anyway. I have my camera on a tripod just because I'm on my own today. If I didn't have a tripod, it's so dark, I'd need the model or the bride or the groom to keep on lighting themselves. It just saves time. We can light them up once, we can get focus, put it on manual focus, and then just keep pressing away. As you already know, the flash is on a 16th power, which is always my go-to for any flash work that I do. My camera's currently on 1/200 on the shutter, 200 ISO and 1.8 on the aperture. I'm going to take a quick test shot so you guys can see what that looks like. As you can see from the image, the flash is way too strong. Before I adjust the flash power, I'm actually going to put a grid on to control the spill of that light and make a more perfect circle, because I also know that when I add a coloured gel into the flash, that's also going to affect the flash power. So here I have one grid, and I've also chosen to use the MagMod teal gel. So I'll quickly pop those on before I make any further adjustments to the flash power. Okay, so now I have the perfect circle. The next step for me is to go and grab the model, and we'll try and make this silhouette a little bit more interesting. So this is our lovely model for today, Liv. I'm just going to pop Liv in front of, I need to put the veil in first, but we're going to pop Liv in front of the flash at the bottom. So Liv, if you can just stand right in front of this for me. Fab. So I don't really need Liv to do anything specific just yet, but what I will do is show you what this circle looks like with Liv as a silhouette in front. And as you can see, Liv has a perfect circle around her. So now I'm going to ask Liv to light herself up with the torch on my phone so I can gain focus, put my camera in manual focus, then I don't need to worry about that again. There you go. Fabulous. Awesome. Now, as you can see from the image, you will notice that the circle is just a little bit too high behind Liv. So the next thing I'm going to do is lower the flash behind Liv, and you'll see now that circle is much better. So now Liv is in the perfect circle. I'm actually going to pause her a little bit more so we actually see the outline of her silhouette. So Liv, you can just be side on, that's perfect, and we're just going to test with one. Lovely. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. So as you can see now, we have the perfect silhouetted outline of Liv. That's beautiful. All in focus. Now we've got our base photograph. Now it's time to jazz this up a little bit more. So, because I like shooting through stuff, as you will have seen in the video where I used a CD to create creative photographs. So now to jazz this photograph up a little bit more, I'm going to shoot through these cookie cutters I'm laughing because I've said this about 100 times and it's not coming out right. These are what they are. We're going to shoot through them. But basically, because I'm going to put them in front of my camera lens, you're actually not going to see them because it's pretty dark. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to add a flash in front of the camera just to light up the cookie cutters. Can we just call them cutters or something? Circles? Because I don't feel like cookie cutters is going to come out enough times. So my flash down behind Liv is flash A. This is flash B. Now flash B to light up these is going to be on the lowest power possible. And now for me that is 1/128. So that is the lowest power. Because it's going to be so close, I don't need a lot. So let's just see how that is going to look with these cutters. Now these are just standard cutters I actually bought from the supermarket. And we'll just test that there. Woo! That's way too bright. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop a couple of grids on. I know I need two because it's way too bright. And we shall go again. Everything's attaching to each other. MagMod's so great, like with all the magnetic stuff, but I'm attaching my cutters to the flashes. Oh, that's looking good. She's looking sassy. So this is the angle that I need. So you need to make sure that your flash is actually pointing at the cookie cutters. Now you can use anything that's reflective, anything metal, shiny, silver. So next up, I'm going to add a little bit of colour in the front of my lens because at the minute everything's quite blue. I've now got one of the creative MagMod gels. This is an orange gel. I'm going to pop that on there. The reason I've chosen orange is to contrast with the teal colour that's actually behind Liv. And we shall go again. Now, I think actually I might like this a little bit. So as you can see from these images, we are lighting up the cookie cutters with the orange gel while still having the teal gel at the back. So I'm just going to try and find the right angle for this. It's important with something like this to carry on shooting until you get the image that you want and not just give up. So keep moving anything closer, further away. Go on, we'll have a go at the veil throwing, Liv. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. The back flash is a lot brighter than the front flash. So what I'm going to do is just turn this flash up a little bit to 1/64 and we'll go again. So I need to light up the cookie cutters with that one. 1, 2, 3. Just looking through those now, that looks insane. I am so pleased and I did not think that these cookie cutters would have that effect. Thank you so much to Liv for modelling. Thank you so much to Neil for filming. Thank you so much to you guys for watching and please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.